meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, a day inside never easy with kids and even adults going a little stir crazy. So good news about today is that you've got all day to be outside after that rainy day yesterday. We're going to be back to drier weather for the day today. It is cool to start this morning. We're down to the upper 20s in Taunton, middle 30s in New Bedford, Westerly at 35, Newport 41 degrees, Boston's at 40, Providence, you're starting off your morning in the upper 30s, and we're in the middle 30s in Hope Valley right now. Chepachet as well, getting closer to that freezing mark, and we may drop another couple of degrees here under our clear skies this morning. East Providence looking good. It's the pick of the week, the combination of sunshine and dry conditions. We do have a rainy day on Thursday, downpours early, but it'll be damp right through the evening hours. And then we have a very mild first full day of spring on Friday, but cooler weather returns for the upcoming weekend and early next week. On our live Doppler radar, it's dry. It stays that way all through the morning. Sunshine expected, and the temperatures, while we cool to the middle 30s at 7 a.m., should be back up to about 40 by 9 and in the middle 40s by 11 o'clock. Warmest spots today will be away from the coastline. We get a little sea breeze that develops at our shore, so it'll keep us closer to the upper 40s to near 50 at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, while Wickford's at about 51, Hope Valley at 50 degrees, lower and mid 50s for Scituate and Woonsocket today. East Providence at about 53. Nice looking day in Fall River, Seekonk as well. Light winds, dry air. Attleboro 54 degrees, and we're close to 50 in New Bedford. Clouds will be on the increase this evening and overnight tonight, with temperatures dropping to about 40 degrees by midnight and then into the mid to upper 30s before dawn. High pressure that's going to keep us dry today is going to slide out, and it's this wave of low pressure that's going to race towards the northeast and redevelop right along our coastline and give us that rainy day for tomorrow. So let's time it out. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Still mainly sunny skies. Notice those clouds rolling in through the evening hours. Dry at 11 o'clock at night. It's not until the very early morning hours tomorrow that we start to see that precipitation moving in, and it may be cold enough initially to support a period of some wet snowfall north of Providence. The western parts and central parts of Massachusetts could get an inch or two of snow out of it before it changes over to rainfall there. But by 9 a.m. just a soaking rain. This is different from yesterday in that the rain's going to be coming down heavier at times through the morning hours and early afternoon, and then the shower threat will linger right into the evening on Thursday. So going to be kind of damp from start to finish on Thursday. It also comes with some pretty significant temperature contrast. So 50s today. Notice Thursday afternoon, a chilly rain falling in the 40s. And then as we head into Friday afternoon, mild air temporarily comes in. It doesn't last for long. Cold front comes through, and by Saturday we're back to cool and dry weather. So in our 7-day forecast, buckle up. We've got dry and quiet conditions for today. Mid to upper 40s for your high temperature tomorrow. Warmest part of Thursday actually going to be into the overnight hours, so the temperatures will continue to climb through the night, and Friday's highs climbing all the way up into the mid and upper 60s. If we can get a couple of breaks of sunshine, not out of the question, we could see some spots in the lower 70s on Friday. Now, it's not a washout, but there'll be a couple of showers around. Saturday's pleasant, 50 degrees, breezy and dry, and Sunday is much cooler, lower 40s for highs on Sunday and Monday.